Up next is Alex. This industrial engineering junior from Frisco, Texas, is all about creativity. And it looks like he found the perfect job in UTA's Fab Lab. If you can dream up an idea, Alex can probably tell you how to develop it. Over to you, Alex.
Thanks, Alex. Cool name. When choosing a university, I wanted to choose somewhere full of opportunity, and I found that in spades when I came to UTA. The opportunity closest to my heart would definitely have to be my job at the Fab Lab. At UTA's Central Library, there are multiple makerspace areas available to all students. Here, the Fab Lab and the studios give students access to 3D printers, kilns, sewing machines, laser cutters, screen printing, motion capture equipment, and so much more. I first visited the makerspaces here in order to 3D print parts I needed to build a lightsaber for a convention and to film a documentary about the space race for a class. I've been able to turn my ideas into reality in ways I never even imagined. I even picked up some skills I needed for internships I applied to for some of the biggest companies in the world. Whatever idea for a project you have, whether it's a prototype for your engineering class, designing a 3D model for your art project, or if you have an idea for a business you want to start with your friends, you can explore and develop these ideas in these spaces. And don't worry, you don't actually need to have any prior experience with any of the machines or processes. Our talented team of full-time staff and student assistants will help ensure that your project can go from an idea in your head out into the real world. Makerspaces like the ones here at UTA allow students like you and me the ability to take what we learn in class and bring it to life. The ability to experiment and find new applications for what we learn is such a valuable part of the learning experience here at UTA. From one Alex to another, back to you.
Wow, Alex, your energy is incredible. It's truly impressive how students at UTA can turn concepts from the classroom into products you can see, you can touch, and feel. I can see why you're so passionate about your job and how makerspaces can bring learning to life. Thanks for telling us about your incredible work. Take care, Alex.